Welcome to Roll for Sushi. Let's roll. Fisherman's Inventory. 13. Uni, sea urchin. This is the reproductive organ of the sea urchin. Kind of looks like a cat's tongue. Sushi polymorph. 2. Gunkan. Let's do something a little bit different and use the gamte from the previous episode. It should be about 1.5 to 2 inches tall. Should make a nice collar. On 10 to 15 grams of rice, let's go ahead and wrap this around. It's holding up surprisingly well. The uni is very fragile, so be careful while transferring it over. Mercers. 5. Shiso. The market didn't have it on hand, so let's go ahead and use 깻잎, which is a Korean version. Let's do a quick julienne on it. And do a coarse slice on the second one. The peppery flavor should go well here. Camera woman is redoing the third one, so we can go ahead and put the triangle in. Finishing touches from the Magic Tavern. 3. Citrus. Lemons are in season. We have the softer Mayo lemon here, and the regular hard yellow lemon here. The Mayo lemon has a more of an orangey flavor. I want to try something different, so let's go ahead and add a little wedge to each piece. For the last piece, let's go ahead and add some zest. Let's give it a try. It looks great and it feels great. Normally with uni, I'm a purist. Less is more. Wow, that's surprisingly really good. However, the gamte's flavor and the citrus works really well here. The creaminess of the uni with the roasted flavors of the gamte is a delight. The shiso leaf is a bit lost in those two flavors and doesn't add much. Using the slice of citrus is perfect. Using the juice would have made it soggy. The zest adds a sharp freshness and may be the best out of the bunch. I think we elevated uni, 8.3 out of 10.